So after we have added the NP36 profile onto the BakPak account, as well as went through some other options available on the BakPak user interface, we're going to go over troubleshooting, so triplex and IP complex. So to do so from the dashboard, we're going to use the group that has already been created. So under group management, we have a MyLog devices group. So we're going to go back to the dashboard, click on troubleshooting and reporting, and we're going to go to troubleshooting and self-healing. So from this option, again, this is your triplex. So you have your router, your modem, and your controller. So what it's trying to do is, based on the devices on the network, is trying to determine whether it's the ISP, in other words the modem, or the router that is causing the issue. So when you look under troubleshooting, which is our first section here, you click on the connection issues, and you see that the issue history shows switch and internet. So if you click on switch, it'll show you which profile, the date, as well as what type of issue it was concerning. So for the first one, it looks like there was a configuration issue, and it'll tell you if it was fixed or not fixed. And again, that was a switch on the network. So if you go to internet, again, it shows you the profile, it shows you the date of the occurrence, and you know it was related to the internet, so there was no internet access for this profile on this date. And again, on the right hand side, it shows you if it was fixed or not fixed. If you select the IP conflicts option, it will show you if there are devices on the network that had duplicate IPs. So if you select the option below, you are able to choose the device that you want to set up on a different IP address. So you make your device selection, you enter your IP address, and then click on OK. Now your self-healing option, again, so our group was my logged devices, so we're going to click on this here, and this will only apply for your PoE devices. So if you have any PoE switches or any PDUs, because of the power outlets, you will be able to set up the self-healing. Your self-healing is your auto ping and reboot. Basically, if you have specific devices connect to specific ports and you have them set for being pinged, and if they are no longer able to be pinged or be detected on the network, it will automatically reboot that port for that device. So here we can select a device, and we can select a port. We can place an IP address on that port. You're going to select the amount of time to wait before actually rebooting that port, and you're going to select also the amount of times you would like it to reboot in this particular time period that will be specified here. So your reboot limit, maybe 2 times, and your time period, say 15 minutes. If you'd like to receive alert regarding this occurrence, you can select the alert checkbox and then click on set, and it will set that port. And again, you can do this for all the devices that are PoE capable. So if you had an outlet that you wanted to select and you wanted to set up the information, again, you can do the same thing. So if you have the modem set up on outlet 1 and you have a specific wait time, your reboot limit will go with 2 again. Keep it minimal for the number of times you reboot in this specified period of time. Go to 10 minutes, click on the alert option if you want to receive an alert, and then select set. So that would be your setup for the self-healing option for your PoE devices on your virtualization group created. Thank you for joining us today for going through the troubleshooting and the self-healing options for your devices on the network.